me. Cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they always look right past.
Hey you guys, it's your gal Cutie back in the house. Back with another Nike haul. So I did purchase some Jordans from them, and well, not the Jordan shoes, because you know I got too many shoes now, but this is a different shoe. You're like, oh, shoes again. But yeah, and I did buy two different things too. So they had like the Jordan sales where you use the code FAMDAY. And yeah, that's what happened, baby. And I'm glad I actually waited, because I almost bought something for original price during my birthday. I could have actually got the 10% off like for my birthday, but I did not use that, so that's what happened. So I almost bought it, but then, you know, good thing we actually waited. I was like, let me just wait, maybe there's gonna be a better sale, you know. And you know, 20% off, baby, that's what you get. Was it 20% off? Yes, it was. So definitely, let's get to it. So let's start with the shoes first, baby. Let's go. Hey there, baby boy. Excuse me, baby boy. It's okay. You're gonna be in the video again. Okay, let's get to. Oh, sorry. Excuse me, sir. Oh my God! Look at that, baby. Even my dog is like, oh my goodness. Oh, so these are the Quilted. Oh my gosh, he's just like right here. So these are also Nike Air more Uptempo, but the Quilted one. At first, I didn't want to buy these back then. I believe it was back in April, but I know these were years ago, like these were in, but it just reminds me, you know, the color reminds you of something. Even he's sniffing on it. He's like, what are those? But yeah. But I think the Quilted just makes it you look so unique, you know? And sorry, I almost lost my breath. And it's like, oh Lord, like it's awesome. Like I gotta have it, and it matches my outfit. I do have a jacket that's like the similar color to it, and I was like, you know what? I gotta match it. So I got these in a size 10 for women, so it's an 8.5 for men. So I kind of wish that he's just licking my hand, but I wish that I did get the size 8 for men, which is 9.5 for women. And you're tickling me, sir. But yeah, because it is kind of loose, because I, you know, you guys know that I do have the other shoe that's a little, it felt like, you know, it's comfortable, and you know, it's the right fit, but it is kind of lengthy, and I hope this one is not like, you know, it's like a better fit. It's like the right size, because I know my other Nike Air more Uptempo 96 is tight, and I did got a smaller size for it, which is good. But then I got the other one where you guys saw my new ones. I got it for the usual size I get, and which that did come a little bigger. It felt like a 10.5. Thank you. Come again.